Very good day, my dear student. Today we'll see the further topics of digital presentation. I'll make you understand through the practical part itself. Let us see. So students, today we'll see that how you could be able to edit text in a presentation. You can format the text on the slide using different text formatting options, right students? Available in the PowerPoint. So how you could do? Like see, suppose I am inserting one slide, like title slide only I'm inserting. Under that, what you will do, if you want to insert the like you have written presentation, okay. Now here you want to edit your text, just select it and you can change the your font type, whatever the font type you want, okay. You can even change its color, that which color you want to change, okay, whatever the color you want. Even you can set you can highlight as well your text, okay. Even you can bold your text, or if you want to unbold, just uncheck it. If you want to do in italic or unitalic, if you want to underline it, so by this you could be able to edit your text. Even you can increase the size also, or you may decrease your size as well, okay. So this all are the features which are available in editing your text in your presentations, okay. Now what do you mean, now the second part is your insert image in a presentation. How you could be able to insert your image. Now suppose I am adding a new slide of which is blank, okay. Now if it is blank, now see, if I want to insert the picture, then since we are inserting the picture, in which tab it will be available? In the insert tab it will be available, right? So click on the insert tab and you will click on picture section. Under picture section you will find this device is available. So if you want that the pictures is available in your device itself, so you will click on this device. And if it is if you want that online picture you want, then you will click on online pictures and you can browse from the Google, okay. I am just making you understand through this device itself. So click on this device. When you will click on this device, you need, this page will be open, and from here you need to select the select the place from where you need to browse your particular image. So my image is available in desktop itself, so I'll click on desktop, and you can see there are various images are available. Like suppose I want to insert this one, just click here and click on insert. You will find that this image is available. Now you can change its size as well. Even if you want to crop, then just click on crop and just set that whatever the cropping you want, you can even set it, okay. Even you can set the borders also, that which border you want, okay. And you can change its color also, that which color it should appear, okay. This all things are available. If you want to remove background, just click on remove background. Even you can rotate as well, that how you want to rotate it, okay. So these are the features available in while you have inserted the image, okay. So this is all about inserting the image. Now adding shapes in a presentation. If you want to add the shapes, then what you will do, just click on insert and you will find the shape is available. Just click on the arrow and here you will find that various types of shapes are available. So suppose I want to insert the this particular shape. If I want to insert, just click over here and drag it. From left click you need to drag it, that which you want, and when you will click, it will ask that if you want to change its shape, color and all, just click on the shape fill. If you want it should be in white form, then click on white. And if you want the outline should be changed, then it should be more thick, then click on weight, and you can change its weight also. You can change its outline color as well, like I want it should be in black color, so according to that you can change. Even you can add your text as well. So just click on the text box here and just make it, and here you can write whatever you want to write, okay. You can set it by dragging it, okay. And just click here, and if you want to customize it by moving in the middle section, so you can even customize your text as well. So by this you could be able to add your shapes in a presentation, okay. Next is your shape fill. As I have said, shape fill, like if you click on here, you will find, click on drawing tool and shape fill is available. You can change the shape fill whichever the color you want, you can change it. Even shape outline as well you can change. Now shape effects are also available. See, just click here and you will find shape effects. Okay, click here, like preset you want, whatever the shape effect you want. Okay, you can change the shape effect as well. Suppose this shape effect I want, so this type of shape effect will be available. So according to that you can change your shape size, shape effect. Now presentation themes, there are themes available, preloaded themes are available. You can change its presentation also. You'll click on design and under design you will find there are various types of themes are available. You can select any themes which you want. Like suppose if you want to change this one, just click here and you will find that the theme has been set accordingly. So according to that you can change your theme. Now change design of a presentation. Even you can customize your design as well by click on format background. When you will click on format background, like see solid fill is available, gradient fill is available, picture or texture fill is available. So according to that you can change the design of a presentation according to the customized theme which you have selected. Now arrange, delete or add slide. Now if you want to delete the slide, just click here, right click it and you will find the delete slide is available, so you can delete it. If you want that this particular slide should be duplicated, then right click and click on duplicate slide. So you will find that two slides are being duplicated and you can customize it. Okay, so according to that you could be able to arrange, delete and add slide. Now next is printing the presentation. Printing a presentation, just do what, Control P. When you will click on Control P, just click on file and then print. When you will click on print, a new window will be appeared. See, this type of window will be appeared. You need to set the settings, like if you want to print all the slides or if you want to print only the particular slide, so you can select. Even you can change the printer also if it is available. In my system printer is not installed, so it is showing what it will be printed to PDF form, and just click on print. So it will be printed and you could be able to print your slides. Thank you students, this is all about digital presentation.